I woke up at 7 a.m. The first thing I did was reach for my phone to check the time and any messages. After lying in bed for a few minutes, I got up and headed to the bathroom to take a quick shower. Feeling refreshed, I went to the kitchen to make breakfast. I brewed a cup of coffee and made a bowl of oatmeal with some fresh fruit. While eating, I thought about the tasks I needed to complete for the day. By 8 a.m., I was dressed and ready to leave for work. I drove to the office, listening to a podcast during the commute, which took about 30 minutes. Work. I arrived at the office around 8:30 a.m. I greeted my coworkers and made my way to my desk. The first thing I did was check my emails and reply to the urgent ones. At 9 a.m., we had a daily team meeting to discuss ongoing projects and priorities. The meeting lasted about 45 minutes. After the meeting, I focused on preparing a report that was due by the end of the day. Around 11 a.m., I took a short break to grab another coffee and chat with a colleague about their weekend plans. By noon, I felt hungry and went to a nearby cafe for lunch. I ordered a turkey sandwich and a side salad. Afternoon. After lunch, I returned to the office and continued working on my report. I had a conference call with a client at 2 p.m., so I spent some time preparing for it. The call went well and lasted about an hour. The client was pleased with our progress, which was a relief. After the call, I finalized my report and submitted it to my manager. By 4 p.m., I had completed most of my tasks, so I spent the last hour catching up on smaller tasks and planning for the next day. I left the office around 5:30 p.m. Evening. On my way home, I decided to stop by the gym for a quick workout. I spent about 45 minutes there, focusing on cardio and some lightweight training. After the gym, I went home and took a refreshing shower. Feeling hungry, I started preparing dinner. I made grilled chicken with steamed broccoli and quinoa. While cooking, I listened to some music to relax. After dinner, I cleaned up the kitchen and then settled on the couch to watch an episode of a TV series I'm currently enjoying. It was a great way to unwind. Around 8 p.m., I called my parents to catch up with them and hear about their day. Night. Around 9 p.m., I decided to watch a movie. I chose a light-hearted comedy, which made me laugh and helped me relax. After the movie, I spent a few minutes checking social media and replying to messages from friends. By 10:30 p.m., I was starting to feel tired, so I decided to wind down for the night. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and changed into my pajamas. Before bed, I read a few chapters of a book I'm currently reading. Reading always helps me relax and get ready for sleep. By 11:30 p.m., I set my alarm for the next day and turned off the lights. I lay in bed, reflecting on the day and thinking about what I needed to do tomorrow. Eventually, I drifted off to sleep around midnight. Practicing this routine out loud can help you become more comfortable speaking in English. Remember, it's okay to start slowly and gradually build up your confidence.